Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's currently 1 a.m. midnight and I have decided to do a little hair tutorial. Now, I have used so many styling products over the years, starting from curling tongs to straighteners to blow dryers and everything you can think of. But I think so far this is the best that I have ever discovered, and this is like the most convenient and less time consuming that I have come across. So I'll be doing a little blow dry X curling hairstyle. Now growing up I really hated my thick wavy hair, even though I was blessed with so much of hair, but I never knew how to style it, how to manage my hair, and I always felt like it was a burden. And I used to get my hair chemically straightened every single year. Yes, it did cause a lot of damage, but touch wood, because of the thickness and the growth that I had, I never really fall short of hair. I always have a lot of hair in my head. Now, so after using so many styling products and everything over the years, this is like the best that I have come across by far. I'm talking about the Alan Truman Volumo brush. This is what it looks like. It comes in a cute pink packaging, and the brush inside is also pink in color. Now you must be thinking this is similar to the very famous viral blow dry brush, but no, this is the one, the viral one. I'm not talking about this though. They came up with a different product which is even more better than the blow dry brush. I will show you how it looks like inside the box. The Alan Truman blow dry brush is also a very convenient and useful hair tool, not gonna lie. I've used this for years and years, and you can even see the cap has come off from here, but it has not gone bad. But I feel like it is not long lasting. Whatever effect it has on my thick hair, it is not long lasting for me. And if in case my hair comes in contact with any kind of moisture or water, it will go frizzy and it will just lose its style. However, the Voluminous brush is very different when it comes to giving you long lasting results. Now, if I do my hairstyle using this brush on a Monday on my freshly washed hair, the hairstyle is gonna last me until Friday. But the problem with my hair is my roots are very oily, obviously, and I have to step out of my house every single day of the week, which is why it gets dirty and I need to wash in between the week. But in case if I do not have to do all of that, the hairstyle lasts till Friday. It will go on until 5 days, so it is that kind of long lasting. This is how it looks inside the box. I mean, this is the most Barbie looking cute hair tool that I've ever seen. It is pink in color, just like the box outer packaging. It has really tiny bristles all around the brush. Now this one is very different from the Alan Truman blow dry brush. Now what I wanted to achieve with this kind of brush was something like that looks like a curl but also is a blowout, if you know what I mean. So there's a curl, which is like a curling hairstyle, and there is something called like a blow dry hair. Now there is no in between that you can achieve with the brush or the curling tong. If you want something in between which is also like a curl, which gives you bouncy curl, but it's not exactly the curl if you know what I mean. So this one right here gives me exactly something in between a curl and a blow dry. Now I'll show you how I start and how I use it. Now once you plug in, you can see the digital screening here. You can see all the temperature and regulation, whatever you want to do. Now you need to hard press the power button for some time, and yes, it starts to heat up. Now you can control the temperature, which is 210 Celsius. What? Now I like to go for the maximum temperature, which is 210. Now it starts to heat up. Unlike this one, it doesn't make any noise. It doesn't make any noise. It is just like a curling tong but with bristles and brushes around it. Okay, now I'll let this heat up for some time. So for my heat protection, I use the Bare Anatomy heat protection spray. This is a really good one, and this is literally my second bottle. Everything has cat fur all over it, because you see that one there? Yeah, he's leaving all this behind. Okay, so just take a good amount in my hand. It is a cream-like texture, and you just apply on the length of your hair. Next product that goes into my hair is this Wow Dream Coat hairspray. Now this is like a anti humidity spray. Like I was saying, even if your hair comes in contact with any kind of moisture or water, it will not lose its style. So to lock your hairstyle in place, this is a really good one. So I'm just gonna spray it all over the lens. And this one also acts like a heat protection. So yeah, it does both. Once I've applied all the products on my hair, I like to section my hair and make 4 sections. Now, the more sections you make, the better the curls will hold and last and look and everything. But I have zero amount of patience to do so many sections to my hair, so the max I do is like 4 sections. 2 on the bottom, 2 on top, and a little bit in the front for the face framing fringes. You take a small section from this, something like this, and just need to brush the section with the Alan Truman brush. Now you just take this. Now mind you, this one really hits up and it's really hot, so you need to be careful. So you need to go like once, twice until like your hair is like really smooth from the roots to the ends, like this. Now once you feel like your hair is really smooth, what you do is you twist it and you keep rolling it like this. Bring it to the end here, roll it back, roll it back, just like this, and hold it for some time. Since this one has a lot of bristles in it, don't try to pull your hair out of the brush. What you need to do is you need to let loose a little bit and you just twist it out like this. You see, something like this. This is done. Now you just let this go behind. Repeat the same process in your entire head. Take another chunk of it. Keep brushing until it's like really smooth. Now you can just go any way. There is no fixed rule if you have to go inside or outward. Just go any way you like. I just like to go outward like this. Can you bring it to the end, roll it back, hold it, and just twist and release. There you go. Entire hair is done. I'm only left with the front part, the face framing fringes. Let me show you how I do them, because this part really matters. If you do them right, only then the entire hairdo looks right. Put them into 2 sections if you would like. This one, you repeat the same process. Just roll it around, hold, and just do this. Okay, this is done. Now comes the last chunk of hair, which is this. This is very simple. You do not have to do any rolling or twisting. You just have to curl outward like this. Just brush it up. Yeah. Add some shine to your hair I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil. Just a few pumps. 3 is more than enough. That's it. Just apply on the lens. And this will really give you the right amount of shine to your hair. I do not even use any setting spray or any curls to hold anything on, because that is even more time consuming, and I don't like when it takes so long to do like one simple hairstyle. This one does just enough for me. That was it. This is the final look. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful and informative. The Alan Truman brush works really well on thick hair. I am not sure how it will work on really thin, fine hair. But if you have thick, coarse hair like me, give it a shot. It's one of the best inventions Alan Truman has ever brought into the market. I will link everything down in the description box below. If you would like, give it a check. And thank you for watching. I will see you until my next video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and leave out any comments if you like. I'll see you until next time. Bye bye.